Hi, I'm Rita Wilkins, also known as the Downsizing Designer. So welcome back to my weekly 5 in 5 series where I share 5 quick tips in just 5 minutes to help you simplify your life and embrace minimalism. So if you find these practical tips helpful and inspirational, please consider subscribing to my e-newsletter. Twice a week, you'll get simple tips like this and free downloads to help you live that simpler life so you can focus on what matters most. So today I'm going to talk about the Minimalist Starter Kit because many of us are just starting out on the minimalist journey, and that's why I wanted to be along with you. So these are 5 simple, low-stakes items that can start off your new year right and get a head start on your minimalist journey. And these quick wins will give you momentum, and they'll also build confidence as you simplify your life. So the first one is the expired pantry items. We all have these, and they're kind of buried back inside the pantry. You bought them a long time ago, and you probably forgot about them. Those are those expired canned goods, the stale snack food, the mystery spices that you wanted to try but you never used. So these are the things that take up valuable space, but they also create unnecessary mental clutter. So if you try this, take 10 or 15 minutes to go through your pantry, check all the expiration date and discard anything that you no longer need. And you create that instant space and feel a little bit lighter every time you open that cabinet, and it makes you smile. And on a funny note, I recently cleaned out my pantry and I discovered a box of rice from 2018, a box that, thank goodness, no one ever ate it. But anyway, it does help to clean out your pantry. So the second one is duplicate or even triplicate items and kitchen gadgets. So our kitchen drawers and our kitchen cabinets can quickly become overrun with the duplicates or the triplicate gadgets. How many spatulas do we really need? How many sets of measuring cups do we really need? These extras not only clutter our kitchen, but having too many just adds to the chaos. When you're trying to cook, you can't find really what you need. So try this. Open one drawer at a time, lay out all the contents on your kitchen counter, and pick just one of each tool. That go-to can opener, the spatula, and then put the remaining tools in a box to donate. And by reducing the duplicates, you're going to save space, and you're also going to make cooking more fun and a lot less stressful. And my third tip is old and unused electronics. So you have to laugh because we all have those old electronics, the tangled cords, the out-of-date tech stuff. But but those are the things that we've forgotten about. Maybe your first phone or your first iPad. These outdated gadgets tend to collect in drawers and closets and boxes in the basement. And they belong in a tech graveyard, frankly, not taking up valuable space in your home. So if you try this, go through your desk, your file drawers, your plastic bins in the basement, any place you might have placed and tried to store the old electronics that you thought for sure you're going to need someday, those wires, and guess what? Someday is not really a day of the week, so trying to store them for that someday, just get rid of them. So box them up and recycle them or donate them. Many organizations actually offer free waste recycling. So clearing out this kind of clutter frees up space in your home, also in your mind, and it keeps those things out of the landfill. And tip number 4 is excess toiletries and beauty products. So it's so easy to let those expired and unused toiletries and beauty products pile up. Just for the fun of it, count how many tubes of lipstick, old lipstick or dried up nail polish that you have, and how much space it's taking up in your cabinets or in your drawers. So go through your bathroom, throw out anything that's expired and anything that you know you'll never use. And stick to those go-to products. Donate any of the unopened items that are still good to a local shelter because they always welcome those kind of things. So simplifying your bathroom makes getting ready in the morning much, much easier. And my last tip today is unused books and magazines. Books and magazines often linger on shelves and on coffee tables far beyond their time. They create that visual clutter, making your home feel messy and even overcrowded. So try this. Take 15 minutes to go through the bookshelves and the magazines. Donate anything you don't plan to read to a local library, to a school, to a senior center, where the excess will mean a lot more to them than it does to you. So there you have it. Those are my 5 tips for this week. Your minimalist starter kit, and I'll be talking more about this during the new year. So these 5 areas make a perfect place for you to start building that momentum on your minimalist journey and giving you much more confidence. So remember, it's not about perfection. It's about making progress, and also just those small little steps will make real lasting changes over time. And don't forget to have fun doing it. Laugh at yourself for the things that you collect. So if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe to my channel below by clicking the button, and share with someone you think might benefit from this. And don't forget to check out my my downloads and my checklists. The Essential Minimalist Starter Kit on my website is available now. And also, thanks for watching, and I will see you again next week. And have a happy holiday.